Cutting some lumber today for Jorah and Maddie's new home, siding for their house. This is the sawmill that I put together. Trailer hitch would hook in here. Axle stubs come in behind the jack. We cut 20.5 feet on this mill, 34 inches wide, so cut quite a big log. I got 2 rubber tired wheels running a band, 8-way adjustable guides. The rubber tired wheels pull heat out of the blade. You don't have to run a lube, water lube. You know, there's a little bit of sap with the jack pine. It doesn't really stick to the wheels at all. Got a On.The twin motor, about 25 horse. Ball bearing wheels, run on track, so it rolls real nice. Tape here for the measurements, the thickness of the wood, what you're going to cut. Automatically has a compensate for the thickness of the blade, which is 42 thousandths. Crank here with chain driven, raises and lowers. Mill, the height block. Big automatic clutch, turn on the jack shaft, so you put the power plant on your gas tank, little gas tank, hold a couple gallons, you pretty much run all day on that. 6 jacks, level it out, the length and side to side, adjustable height on the push bar, handlebars, whatever you want to call it. Roof on it, it's out of the elements when you're not using it. Log deck and logs on there. Bunch of boards here that we've made. Some nice 8-inch, 7/8, you know, 6, 5, then batting strips. It's going to be board and batten, upright, vertical siding on their house. Trailer here, it goes under the tarp, the wood we've cut. Gonna need about 500 to 600 boards. Probably looking at $9,000 to $10,000 at if you were to buy all this lumber. So you're getting paid to cut it. Plus it's out of our own woods here, which kind of have a nice wood lot. So we get just your labor to cut the wood and pull the trees out of the woods. Thanks for watching.